Today we'll learn how to detect reducing sugars such as glucose using Benedict's test. Let's see. We need test tubes, Benedict's and glucose solutions, a hot water bath, a cylinder and holder.
First, we add the glucose solution. Now, we introduce Benedict's reagent. Watch the color change. Gently swirl to mix.
We place the tube into the hot water bath. Watch as the solution gradually changes its color. Let us observe the results. Blue means no reducing sugar. Brick red indicates a positive result. Notice the transition when we apply heat. Reducing sugars react with the blue copper ions. They convert into a brick red precipitate. That is chemistry in action. A brick red precipitate confirms the presence of reducing sugars. That's Benedict's test. Thanks for watching.